Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome. If you are new, I am so glad you are here. My name is Gina. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you do not regret your click on this video. In 2016, when I started my channel, I literally got monetized right away because at that time YouTube did not have the 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscriber requirement. So I was literally making money on YouTube even without having all those numbers. And so I got shocked in 2019 when YouTube came up with a new rule that said you needed to have 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers before you can be monetized. So that really took a toll on me, and so I was desperate to get monetized. I was desperate to gain the watch hours, and so I got into reaction videos. I started reacting to foreign music that I didn't understand what they were singing, only because I was getting the views, I was getting the subscribers. I actually got really close. I got about 3,000 watch hours. Yeah, 3,000 hours of watch time. And a lot of these people were just watching me because I was listening to their music. And it was mostly Pakistanis, Afghanistan, you know, all these weird countries that I've never been to and I've never really enjoyed the music genuinely. I was just reacting to them because I was not even reacting really, I was just watching them, honestly. And most of the time I would just sit on my phone, play the video, and then turn down the volume just to get the views. Like, I was literally doing the most. And when I got to about 3,000 watch hours, I got tired of doing those videos because it wasn't really what I enjoyed doing. And I said to myself, like, why am I pretending to be reacting to videos when I'm actually not reacting to them? So I stopped. I stopped the reaction videos, and then all those people that subscribed to my channel because of those reaction videos literally stopped coming, and a lot of them started unsubscribing. At this time, I had gained a lot of subscribers because I was gaining about 50 to 100 subscribers daily. Literally daily, like every second I would gain a new sub. And I was enjoying it, right? But what stopped me was the fact that I was not genuinely enjoying the content. Because to be a successful YouTuber, you need to enjoy the content that you are making so that other people will enjoy it. And people will tell you, oh, what you enjoy, your subscribers may not enjoy the same thing, but that's a lie. What you enjoy, your subscribers will actually enjoy. Because if you enjoy it, then you will enjoy doing it and they will enjoy watching you. And so I stopped. And then I started to think about what I wanted to do on my channel, how I wanted to grow the channel. I started coming up with ideas, but none of those ideas seemed to be working because I'm still here and I'm not monetized. And so I came across so many live streams on YouTube, and I also started commenting on people's videos saying, hey, I just subscribe to me, doing the sub for sub thing. And then it was actually working because people were subscribing and I was subscribing to them. I realized that all these people that were subscribing were just subscribing. They were just increasing their number. They were not really watching my videos. And then I went to live streams. I watched videos. I was desperate to gain 1,000 subscribers, and I did gain it. I gained 1,000 subscribers, and I was still not monetized. And all these people that subscribe to my channel to help me gain 1,000 subscribers, they rarely ever come to my channel to watch any of my videos. And when they do, they don't even watch the videos until the end. So I am forced to believe that the sub for sub thing is really affecting my channel right now, to the point where I don't even know what kind of audience that I have managed to gather. Like, I don't know the type of people that are subscribed to my channel anymore. I don't know what kind of content brought them here, because the reaction videos, I'm not doing them anymore. But the people who subscribed because of that, they have refused to go. And I don't know who they are to start deleting them. So please, this is a plea. If you don't enjoy my content anymore, please unsubscribe so that let me know that you are not here. Because I have over 1,000 subscribers, actually 1,400 right now, and I keep gaining subscribers, and I'm not sure like what's bringing those people. So it's hard for me to like figure out the exact type of content to do. If you are a new YouTuber and you just started your channel or you are trying to grow your channel, please stay away from sub for sub. Stay away from live streams that tell you subscribe to this person and they'll subscribe to you. Stay away from doing temporary content that you don't enjoy just to gain views. Stay away from that, because that is hurting me right now and I'm trying to build my channel up. And I hope that this mistake that I made in the past that's affecting me now can help you learn so you do not make the same mistake. That's basically my story. I'll keep you all updated on what's working and what's not working, but right now I know that sub for sub did not work. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, write a comment below on something, I don't know, please write a comment, subscribe. Yeah, I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.